And it's sparkly.
We're gonna take you on this journey. Let's go.
Okay, people, we are going to my uncle's. Do you want to get this for 25 cents?
Yeah.
That's 25 cents? Yeah, it's right here. Dang.
That's $25.
Peter said.
It's $25, Gray. It's too much.
Isaac, where's
These are $2.99.
glittery?
Let's get these. These are pretty. These are pretty.
Hey, tell me what you. Please tell me why you like squishy so much.
They feel cool to squish. That's why it's called squishy.
Oh, okay. So that's why everybody like these squishies, because I see them everywhere.
I only have two. For our slime challenge, we have 1 gallon of white glue. We have 1 quart of clear glue. We have a bunch of sequins, gold and silver, because we're trying to go for the gold and silver theme. We have some silver and gold paint, acrylic paint, and we're about to get some foam balls. Hey guys, it's Grace, and today we're just gonna be doing the slime challenge. And some of it is our first time making slime. So this is Keegan. Hi. And this is his brother Tyler.
Alright guys, we had to come back inside because it was raining.
Alright guys, we're about to start.
Alright, let's choose every team. The Abram boys.
Get David to go.
And then
right
there's this team,
Get David
the
to go
better
right
one. The
Too lit to care team.
Say too lit to care, Keegan.
Hey, go!
I don't even have a lot of anything.
Can somebody give me the borax?
It looks fine. This is shirt. Can you watch the shirt?
I need some more glue.
Yeah, you
This
can,
one-
but like it's gonna color the slime.
I need more glue. This is too thick.
So we can use wash the surgery instead of borax.
Yeah, but it's gonna color your slime blue.
Hey, can I get silver, please? Can I get silver, please?
Pass on your silver or
I'll
something.
use all I can take.
I don't know how to open this.
Yeah, I can open.
Do y'all know how to open this?
Hold on.
Somebody pass me the.
Guys, give me the silver.
Oh.
I don't know what the silver is.
It's right there. But my number 2. Oh yeah. Pretty nice. I don't want to kill somebody's piece of slime. Here you go, Grace. Metallic.
I got 4 different slimes, guys.
You made 4 different slimes?
No,
Crunchy
she split.
slime, confetti slime, clear confetti slime,
Dad,
and a putty like slime.
Dad.
And that was mine.
I need a bigger bowl because this is not working.
Hang up and try again.
Hi everybody. Today we have our judges, and our first judge is Mary Abram, Donnell Abram, Tanya Abram. They're gonna rate it from first to fifth in the sixth, and the person who goes to 6th place has to jump in the lake with their clothes on.
Jump in the lake.
You would not see me doing that.
Hey, what do you got to say about all this?
That's my slime.
Oh my god.
I'm moving on. Y'all think I'm clean. Ooh,
So this is the type of slime where you put balls in it to make it crunchy.
Okay. All right.
Ball makes it crunchy.
Yeah, so like when you squeeze it, it won't
It's like nothing's still out there.
really. Let them do this real quick. Keegan.
have mine.
I know which one I like.
Yeah.
Now y'all have to discuss.
Do orders?
Yeah. Y'all have to discuss among each other. Y'all have to discuss among each other.
Oh boy.
Let's take them.
Wait, is it in my pan?
While the judges discuss their answers for the slime, we're gonna show you our episode of Chase is on the Case.
Keegan Chase Abram.
Alright, there's been talk around the town. There's a few bad people. First, we have the suspect, Tyler Abram. I knew it's me. Grace Abram.
It wasn't us. We were just, hanging out.
Shark Man Abram.
So we have the worst of the worst. Goes by the name of
Mongoose.
It's not right. Kiss. Wait and see. Chase the kiss. It's time to get drunk. Let's go! I can smell. I can smell y'all.
We found 2 victims. Oh no, and look, we found another one. Wait, look again. How'd the closet get closed? Open it up.
No. No. No.
I found you! We found him, Keegan.
That's because Keegan closed it on me. I was locked in here.
It's called Shark Man. Bottom floor. Clear. Let's go, guys.
This is my favorite.
Green already.
And
This one is
because of the way it looks.
the way it looks and the way it feels.
Good job. Just, I feel sorry for the loser. I mean,
Alright.
the one that who made the least.
The least best.
The least
I'm
best.
just gonna see somebody jump in the lake.
Keep flying.
For the first one,
Give her a mic though.
What was that?
this is the first one that we.
Oh God.
The reason why
She is a slime vet.
because it actually feels like slime and it spreads like slime. Similar to the first one. Second place.
Mine. Oh, David. Oh, shucks.
Same. Next.
This is third place. I actually like this one the best, but I was on the room sorry.
Thank you.
I actually like this one. Simply because I like the way it looks and the way it feels. This one is also a good one, which is fourth, because it does feel like slime.
So Tyler and Mackenzie are winning.
First of all, it was
This
very
Keegan
close.
slime.
Oh, it's Keegan's?
Yeah.
That was your slime, Keegan.
You made it.
That is mine.
Daddy, you got to check the box.
It's just sticky goo.
Michaela, to the lake, to the lake, to the lake.
Ask you how you are, you don't just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Shout out to Maya if you're watching this.
Are we going to the other lake?
Maybe. Have you heard of the greatest king
To
ever live?
Hey everybody, this is Mary, and we wanted to take a little time out to highlight the owners of this beautiful lake house, Sam and Susie Davis. They are a retired couple who spend half their time with grandkids and another half at a wonderful place in Jinja, Uganda called Good Shepherd's Fold. It's a wonderful orphanage set up for kids in Africa, and we have also one of our members, Dana Phillips, who is a long-term missionary there, just started this year.
Okay, Miss Dana, tell me a little bit about Good Shepherd's Fold.
Good Shepherd's Fold is a children's home in Weekway District in Uganda, and I moved there about 6 months ago to work. I'm a speech pathologist, and so I moved there to work with their children with special needs and to just really partner with their staff there. They've already been doing a lot of really great, amazing things with the community with special needs, and so I just really kind of wanted to go be a part of that, and the Lord made the way and gave me the calling to do that.
Thank you for doing my challenge with me. And thank you for getting on YouTube with me. Thank you.
Level up one tight. Level up two tight. Level up tray tight. Level up with me. Level up one tight.